In this video, we are going to explore how to track system access using the last and lastlog commands in Linux. These commands are very important tools for monitoring user login history and can be very useful for system administration and security purposes. The last command shows a listing of the last logged-in users on the system. It reads its data from the /var/log/wtmp file. The last command displays the login history chronologically, showing the login time, duration, and terminal used by each user. For example, if you type last in the terminal, it will display a list of users, their terminal, the IP address, and the login and logout times. If the user is still logged in, it will show still logged in. The last command comes with several options that allow you to filter and customize the output. The in option followed by a number shows only that number of entries. The a option displays the host name in the last column. The f option prints the full timestamp format. You can also specify a username to show only the login history for that specific user. For example, last n3 will show only the last 3 login entries, and last John will show only the login history for the user John. Now let's explore some practical examples of using the last command. To show the system reboot history, you can use the command last reboot. This will display all the reboot events recorded in the log. To show the full date and time format for each login, you can use the last f option. If you want to see system shutdown events, you can use the command last x shutdown. The lastlog command reports the most recent login of all users on the system. It reads its data from the /var/log/lastlog file. It shows when each user last logged in, which is useful for security auditing and identifying inactive accounts. When you run the lastlog command, it displays a list of usernames and their last login time. If a user has never logged in, it will show *** never logged in ***. The lastlog command also provides several useful options. The u option followed by a username shows the lastlog record for that specific user. The t option followed by a number of days shows only records newer than that number of days. Similarly, the b option shows records older than a specified number of days. The r option suppresses the display of the hostname field. For example, lastlog John will show the last login record for the user John, and lastlog t1 will show records from the last 1 day. The last and lastlog commands are valuable for security monitoring. You can use them to detect unauthorized access attempts by looking for unusual login times or sources. Monitoring login times helps identify suspicious activity, and tracking login source IP addresses can reveal potential security breaches. These commands can also be used to audit user account usage patterns to ensure compliance with security policies. As an example, you can use last pipe grep root pipe head -5 command to check the recent logins of root user. It's important to know the locations of the log files used by these commands. The /var/log/wtmp file is used by the last command to store login history. The /var/log/btmp file records failed login attempts. The /var/log/lastlog file is used by the lastlog command to store the last login time for each user. The /var/log/auth.log file contains authentication events. Understanding these locations is crucial for effective log analysis and security monitoring. In summary, the last command shows login history from the /var/log/wtmp file, while the lastlog command shows the most recent login of all users. The last command shows failed login attempts from /var/log/btmp file. These commands are essential for system security monitoring. Regularly monitor login activity for unusual patterns. Set up log rotation to preserve login history. Include login monitoring in your security audits, and consider automated alerts for suspicious logins to maintain a secure system. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.